This is our view out the window today. Open the door and welcome back to the channel. Today we are parked up at the Drove for our first visit here. We just parked up over there by the entrance as you come in, between two other vans, and Stonehenge just over there. So we're going to walk down and have our first experience of the Drove. Glorious weather as it has been all week. Just after the summer solstice, which we imagine was really busy during that time. We've been at a van love. We decided to come after on the way back. Ambulance conversion down here. Careful guys. Cardiff American plates, Washington plates. Very nice. Ambulance conversion. Sort of a lower view of the stones. So yeah, there is a lot of space to park at the moment. You considering coming sort of during this time, July time, then there is definitely a lot of space available. A couple of vans up there, it's not too crowded at all at the moment. We're walking down here to one of the English heritage entrances. You pay for your guided tour. Some camping behaviour going on over there. Obviously that is frowned upon. So now we're walking around the paid walking tour. So we're on the free path and we should be able to get a better look at Stonehenge up here. We use a hot dog at the moment because he's still pulling though. Oh yeah, look at this, just coming up. Man, the other side.
Filming the whole time.
So now we're just coming up to Heelstone, which aligns perfectly through the gaps of the main structures for when the sun shines through. We are going to keep an eye out at night for any strange goings on, because it is believed to be a site of extraterrestrial activity as well. If you've ever been and you've experienced anything like that, leave a comment below and we'd like to open up a discussion. So I believe that Stonehenge lies on many ley lines, many energy points that run across the earth, and that is why so many strange things are reported as happening, and why it is reported as being a UFO landing site and a portal to other dimensions, and also a ritual site. So let us know in the comments whether you agree or disagree with the various theories surrounding Stonehenge. For example, another one being that the Nephilim built it, them being the ancient giants from biblical references. So yeah, let us know in the comments. Arrows on the floor telling you the direction of midsummer sunrise and midsummer sunset. So when everyone's done having a walk around and finished looking at the stones, we are going to watch the England match later against Ghana in the World Cup. And I think we're having burgers tonight for dinner. So we'll catch up with you a bit later on to see how England got on. burger for dinner with sweet potato fries. Beautiful. So we're all in for the England game on the TV. Hoping for a good result.
England.
Come on,
England for the win! England for the win!